So Princess Cruise, Grand Princess, going under the bridge. Only 3 meters. And it's only 3 meters from the top of the smokestack to the bridge.
Gonna go.
Alright, ready?
Backside of the bridge.
Yep, backside of the bridge.
Look under the bridge, look under, look up, look up, look up.
Look up, look up.
Hello? Hi.
What is one underside of the bridge?
That was cool.
That's cool. We fit! That was close! Now let's hope he takes the right turn. Let's get left turn.
All right.
If he takes the wrong turn here, he'll go to Alaska, which he usually does. But he doesn't want to go to Alaska now. He wants to go to Los Angeles. So let's hope he doesn't forget. Right, Mom? There's North Van and West Van.
Yeah, so
That's Stanley Park, Vancouver.
that was fun. I'm glad we came out under the bridge.
Yep. There's another cruise ship waiting to come in. There's one behind us trying to get out. We got bombs coming, bombers. See the cruise ship over there, Mom?
Oh yeah.
He's waiting to come in.
So big. I love it. Pretty wild. Should we just go up the stairs? On the outside here? Area right there in front of us. Sorry. Where all the disco dancing happens. They have the big DJ and the big party all night.
Look, my mother's floor.
Okay. Oh yeah. Very quiet area at night.
As we say that, everyone's yelling and laughing. But yeah, you can get a nice bookkeep down here. Up at the very top is where the basketball and pickleball and all that stuff. There's a shuffleboard that we haven't done.
Clowns out there.
They're jumping right now.
I'm sorry it's so dark. I can't see them.
Only Ma can see the jumping. They're out there. Only Ma can see the jumping whales. Right?
I'm sorry I'm missing them.
Definitely.
That's ceramic? These kinds of brass objects were used to trap spirits. There's something inside. No clue. If there is something trapped in here, that's for a good reason. Yeah. I'm going to take a peek anyway. Psychokinetic energy. And that?
Thank you for asking. So many places do that without asking.
What's the reaction?
Are you on the subway line?
Full bore convective spatter!
You took the words right out of my mouth.
I'll take the words!
Sorry, I don't have change.